The unit itself is basically 26 by 26 and it's 38 inches tall. You just assemble this section first, you put the bar in, the legs attach on there. It took me maybe a half hour after never doing it before. So it's got sliding doors on it that are removable. Basically, you've got two different sections. The one you're working on, and when you're done with that one, you can change the doors around. Just slide them out, move them to the other side, so you can continuously keep composting. The legs on here are metal. They're pretty sturdy. This whole thing itself doesn't weigh much. I could pick it up, no problem, and move it. It's got a stainless steel axle that goes through here, and this is UV protected. One of the cool features on this is it has a crank on it. Also, it has this lever on here so that when you're cranking it, it'll stop and keep it from rotating if you want. Or if you want to, you can just lock this into place and it can go any way you want. Both sides have sliding vents on them for aeration. And with this unit, you also get the maze composting cart. Sturdy plastic, pretty easy to put together. Just wing nuts, washers, and screws. There's two different size screws, a large screw and a small screw. The small screws go here, the large screws go here. Put the washers on through the holes. It rolls pretty well. I'm 6'2", a little bit short for me, but it makes delivering everything a little bit easier. So if you're looking for a composter, it's relatively lightweight, easy to turn. There's this cool crank system they have on here. Check out this one by Maze, 48-gallon composter and the Maze composting cart.